How often I've sat here and looked and tried to imagine Crafting Cottage sitting over there. And there it sits. My imagined dream is becoming a reality. After clearing the stumps and getting the area prepared, January of 2023, we began the build of my dream, of my own private cottage, a crafting cottage, where I will make things isolated from the background noises that I have to deal with in the house, and a place that's devoted entirely for my crafting activities, sewing, painting, basket making, card making, knitting, crocheting. All my crafting stuff will be housed in this place, and it will be a pretty place where I can go to work. Just a short walk from my house because it's on my property. Getting the porch roof on now. Finally got a break in weather. We finally got a few cool days, so John is putting the porch cover on, and I did get the waterproof membrane to cover it as soon as we have the plywood up, so that we will have good runoff system from the roof to the porch, that we don't have to worry about the rain anymore. With the porch roof on, this porch is shady now. That's so nice. This shaded porch that will probably be shaded pretty much all day. Porch roof is now up, and Jonathan is putting up the black membrane, the waterproof membrane, to protect the roof from water damage. good water runoff system. Cool. My building is covered in Grace. I'm using Grace Ice and Shield, Ice and Heat Shield. So my building, all my rooftops are covered with Grace. That's a cool idea. Now I don't have to worry about water runoff creating any problem. I haven't ordered a door yet. He always honks his horn when he comes home. I guess because he parks down there at the corner at the next lot. Because nobody lives there.
Do you think maybe he bought that lot?
I don't know. It's possible. Because that'd be right next to their lot, so. And somebody cleaned it up after the house burned down. The porch is now covered, and it's covered with the waterproof membrane, so no more worries about the rain. The porch gives it a cute profile. Of course, it'll look a lot better when it has a siding on it, and I can't wait for that day. So for the exterior, we have to finish putting in the windows. It needs a door. We need the metal roofing to complete the roof and the siding. I want to seal and stain the porch, even though it is pressure treated wood. I do want to protect it. But we are making some progress. It may be slow going, and it's gonna be that way because I don't want to go over my head. I'm just doing what we can as we are able. That's all we can do. It might take another year before I'm actually in the building. I don't know. I have no idea how long it's gonna take. We have to take one step at a time, one major project at a time. The roofing right now is the next major project, and then will be the siding. I have a current fundraiser going for trying to complete this project. The details are in the video description, and I think I am putting those details in all of my videos, but I don't think anybody ever reads the information in the video description. Do people read anymore? If all my subscribers gave me $2, I could get this done. It's just $2. If every person that watches one of my videos in just a single month would donate $2, I would have all the funds I need to complete this project. If you'd like to help me with this project, you can donate to my Cash App, my Venmo, or through the Super Thanks button below the video. In the video description, you will find the links to my Cash App, my Venmo, so please consider it. Your donation will be appreciated. Just $2. Can you do that much? Just $2. Any donation will help. That would be such a blessing. But I'm very happy to have this far completed. We just had a little rainstorm, and the only places that got wet was the outside of the porch, but this is treated wood, so that's great. My grandson came over and sanded the edge here and then put a little sealer and stain on the very edge, which is great because that was 2 days ago, and then the rains came. So the wood is protected, and we don't have to worry about the raw edges getting ruined by the weather, so that's good. Here's a little reminder. I'm also giving away a prize-winning blue ribbon basket. Anybody who donates $20 or more will be entered in a drawing to win my blue ribbon basket that I could not part with for less than $1,000. It's my best basket. It won first place at the South Carolina State Fair, and I love it. I don't want to part with it, but if my cottage dream comes to fruition, which it is halfway there, probably, I guess you could say halfway, since the structure is built, but it's going to take a lot more money and a lot more work to bring it to the end. But when I come to the end of it, I will be giving away that basket to some lucky winner who has donated $20 or more to my fund. You can donate. I'd appreciate your donation. to help me further this project. I appreciate any help you can give. Thanks for watching.